What's up, guys? Biker Dave here in the bathroom. I have a Braun Series 3 electric shaver. I've had it for many years. It works very well. It does require a little bit of maintenance and a little bit of cleaning. Make sure you remove the head periodically and clean that area out. But if you're noticing it is just not cutting like it used to, that means the head itself is just worn out. It happens. Depending on, how much you use yours or how coarse your hair is and whatnot, you can replace the head very easily. I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. It is around $25. So some people may think that's expensive, but compared to the price of an entire new unit, not that expensive. So when you look online, make sure you look for which series Braun shaver yours is. So look right there. Maybe a 3, 5, 9, there's different models. But the head itself, you just search online and look for the link in the description. It's very easy to remove, just pop it off basically. And the new one, just pop it on. The main issue though is to clean this region out inside. Clean that out periodically. You can use like an old toothbrush or air, compressed air or something. Just clean it inside and out every so often. Put the new head on, and it works fantastic. Just a replacement head. Big difference in the quality of shaving. And like I said, I've had this thing for goodness, at least 10 years. And overall, it works very well. So anyway, check out my other videos. I got hundreds of videos on my channel relating to household stuff, working on your car, working on your dirt bike, your Harley Davidson, your golf cart, your scooter, fixing stuff, appliances, all kinds of stuff on my channel. And if any video on YouTube helps you out, make sure you click the thanks button. It's called Super Thanks. It's underneath the video screen. And on monetized YouTube channels like mine, you can send a little donation or whatever, because doing videos does take time and effort and that sort of thing. So yeah, we appreciate anything you want to send. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.